The focus of this lesson is Social Security and Medicare deductions. Example 1. Ramiro got his first job in 2016. In that year, Social Security was 6.2% of income up to $118,500. Medicare tax was 1.45%. If Romero earned $73,210 in 2016, how much did he pay for Social Security and Medicare taxes? Right. The first thing we want to determine is what amount he will have to pay in Social Security. So it says here in the problem that he will pay 6.2% of his income as long as his income is less than this 118,500. So once it goes above that, the amount will change a bit. So he will pay 6.2% up to this amount. So we are going to take 6.2% of his earnings, which is 73,210. So that is 73,210 times a 0.062. Using our calculator, that gives us $4,539.02. So over the year, he paid that amount in Social Security. Now, of course, that would be taken out, divided by the number of pay periods he has during the year. Next thing, let's calculate his Medicare taxes. In the problem, we could see that Medicare tax is 1.45% of his income. So we're going to do something similar here. We're going to multiply 73,210 by a 0.0145 or 1.45%, giving us $1,061.55. Now, how much did he pay altogether? Let's add the two. So we have $4,539.02 plus the Medicare, $1,061.55. And that gives us a total $5,600.57 for the year in 2016. So Ramiro paid $5,600.57 in Social Security and Medicare taxes during that year. Now it's your turn to try. Try this. Lisa made a total of X dollars last year, which was more than the maximum taxable income for Social Security for the year. The Medicare tax was 1.45%. Write an expression that represents what Lisa paid to Medicare last year. Example 2. Express the Social Security tax for 2016 as a piecewise function. Remember from before, Social Security tax is 6.2% of your income up to $118,500. So the first thing we want to do is determine what is the maximum you would have to pay in Social Security tax based on this requirement right here. So let's determine what 6.2% of this $118,500 is. So we're going to multiply those two, and we get $7,347 is the maximum allowable Social Security tax. We know that everybody that makes less than this $118,500 will only pay 6.2% of their income. So we're going to say our function f of x is equal to 0.062x, so that's 6.2% of their income being represented by x, as long as x is less than or equal to 118,500. So if their income is less than that, then that's the amount. Otherwise, everyone else will pay this $7,347 if it is greater than 118,500. Now it's your turn to try. Ming worked 3 jobs in 2016. The total of her incomes was less than 118,500. At Quick Mart, she made X dollars. At the college bookstore, she made Y dollars. At the mail depot, she made Z dollars. Express the combined total of her Social Security and Medicare taxes algebraically